Number 3 is a sketching of a hyperbola and then solving an equation. Okay, so the hyperbola is going to have an asymptote at x equals 1 and y equals 2. And because of the negative, it's going to sit in this quadrant and this quadrant. Okay, so I'm going to have an asymptote at x equals 1. X equals 1 and y equals 2. And I should be down here and I should be up here. So let's find some axial intercepts. So f of 0 is going to be 2 minus 3 on negative 1, or 2 plus 3 or 5. And if I set it equal to 0, 0 equals 2 minus 3 on top of x minus 1. 3 on top of x minus 1 equals 2. 3 equals x minus 1, and then move the 2 over on 2. So x is going to equal 3 on 2 plus 2 on 2, or 5 on 2, 2.5. So we have a graph that looks like this and like this. And I know that it's 0 on 5, and that's at 5 on 2 and 0. And label, label. Beautiful. So the question's then asking, find the values of x for which f of x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so it's always bigger than 1 over here, because it's all bigger than 2. So if I find this value here of where does the graph equal 1, and I believe it's going to be at 4, looking at my graph. So I'm going to have 2 minus 3 on top of x minus 1 equals 1. Move the 2 over. Minus 3 on top of x minus 1 equals negative 1. Minus 3 equals minus x plus 1. Move the 1 over. Minus 4 equals minus x. X equals 4. So I have a coordinate there which is 4 and 1. It is less than 4 for all of that part of the graph. So my answer is going to be x is an element of asymptote at 1 up to 4, and I'm inclusive of 4 because I want it to equal 1 as well. So that's going to be our answer to the second part.